If you'd love to enjoy your butter from whole milk, you want to know how to make it right. We've gone past the times when you need to own a cow or ranch to enjoy fresh milk or butter supply. You can whip one in your kitchen without breaking a sweat or limb. For one, milk is obtained from dairy, and it only makes sense that you can extract butter too from milk. But there is a special way to get it done if you want to make the best quality butter from whole milk. But before I share with you how to make butter, especially from whole milk, let me first share some of the benefits of whole milk. Why choose whole milk? When it comes to making butter from dairy, you want to be selective of milk choice. And if you are familiar with the different types of milk available, you will agree that they differ in several ways. One of the main differences is in their fat content. And while others have their fat altered, whole milk retains its natural fat, which is why it is often referred to as regular milk. This rich fat content in the whole milk variety makes it the best choice for making butter. Some other ways the body can benefit from whole milk include: drinking 2 glasses of whole milk daily is an excellent way to improve your skin complexion. Milk is high in calcium, which helps to promote healthy bones and teeth. You can also notice an improved growth in muscle with a whole milk diet. This is why most people looking to gain weight choose this type above the others due to the added fat. The vitamins and minerals in dairy are linked with stress relief. So you could also feel more relaxed with a whole milk diet. There is also a boost in energy with the rich protein and fat in whole milk, so if you are feeling down and tired, a glass or 2 could help revitalize the body. You also benefit from improved eyesight, lower cholesterol level, improved heart and liver health, and reduced stroke risk. Step by step, how to make butter from whole milk. The one reason why people choose skimmed milk is due to the low-calorie content. And it's the other way around for the whole variety. But the skimming of fat is what you need to do when it comes to collecting your dairy. You want to make available the required ingredients before getting into the preparation proper. Ingredients: half a gallon of whole raw milk. You will have to use more milk if you need to yield more butter. Preparation. There are different stages involved in the preparation, and it is essential to follow the steps accordingly. Step 1. The first step is the skimming and ripening of the milk. To do this, you will have to leave the milk in a wide-mouthed jar to refrigerate for a day or 2. This allows all the nourishing cream required to prepare the butter to get to the jar's top, where you can easily scoop it once ready. Step 2. The next step will be to sterilize a glass jar and ladle spoon in boiling water. This helps to kill any germs that may contaminate the butter during preparation. Take the spoon and scoop out the cream from the jar's top and collect in the sterile glass jar. Keep skimming the cream from the top until you get them all into the clean jar. Step 3. You can then screw the lid on the jar and leave it to ripen in a close container filled halfway with warm water. The jar should stay for 6 to 12 hours, and after which you can transfer it into an ice cooler. This allows the butter to chill, so it can quickly solidify. Step 4. After chilling in an ice bath for up to 10 minutes, you can now shake the jar continuously until you notice a change in weight as the liquid begins to lump up. Once you have enough lumps in the jar, you will need a strainer and butter muslin. Step 5. Place the butter muslin over the strainer and keep it in a bowl to collect the liquid inside it. Gently pour the liquid into the muslin fabric and watch it collect even the tiniest particle of butter. Step 6. Wrap the muslin fabric, collecting the butter at the middle, and dip it in an ice-cold bath. This helps with solidifying any liquid butter residue left behind. Knead the butter with a wooden spoon and drain out the water. You can choose to add in flavor or salt the butter and then store it in an airtight container for not more than 3 weeks. Final words. You can follow the procedure above to learn how to make butter from whole milk, but remember to use good quality ingredients to have a quality and nutritious final product. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.